Someone recently asked me, Gino, don't you think taxation is just a form of theft? The government takes our hard-earned money without our consent, after all. This got me thinking, is taxation really a necessary evil, or is it just a way for the government to exert control over its citizens? I felt that that was a valid question. Let me address that. But first,
if you enjoy my content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, comment on my videos, click the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for your support, and please enjoy.
In the meantime, I'm Gino DiCaprio, and I welcome you once again to my page where every time we just dive into unexpected topics. Let's return to that question, all right? I disagree that taxation is theft. Taxes fund essential public services and infrastructure that benefit society. However, I do think there should be a limit to taxation. A 20% cap seems reasonable to me. If the government can't manage its finances effectively within that 20% threshold, then it's a management issue, not a taxation problem. The government should prioritize efficient allocation of resources rather than relying on increased taxation to fund its initiatives. Some might argue that a growing population necessitates higher taxes, but I don't buy that. Just because the population grows doesn't mean the government should automatically increase tax rates. That's just an excuse for poor financial planning. Instead, the government should focus on creating sustainable solutions that cater to the growing population without overburdening taxpayers. For instance, consider the concept of tax brackets. As income increases, tax rates shouldn't skyrocket. A more nuanced approach would be to implement a fair and progressive tax system where higher earners contribute a bit more, but not disproportionately so. For new programs or initiatives, I believe additional funding should come from voluntary donations, not forced taxation. This way, people can choose to contribute to causes they care about, rather than having their tax dollars allocated arbitrarily. By allowing individuals to make conscious decisions about their charitable contributions, we can foster a sense of community and social responsibility. Let's strike a balance between funding public goods and respecting individual financial freedom. Taxes should serve as a means to support essential public services, not as a tool for the government to exert control over its citizens. So, what's your take on taxation? Do you think it's a necessary evil, or do you believe it's a form of theft? Share your thoughts.
Creating these videos is my passion, but it takes resources to keep going. If you'd like to support financially, it would help improve the content and grow the project. I'm also looking for volunteers to join me, whether by filming, collaborating, or contributing ideas. If this project ever becomes profitable, I ensure everyone involved shares in its success. With your permission, I'd love to thank you publicly for your support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.